Hi, I'm Jonathan Mitchell with the award-winning Richmond Ford, and I want to introduce you to the new FordPass app, the app that changes how you interact with your Ford and transforms your ownership experience. With the FordPass app, you are in control right from your fingertips of your brand new Ford.
Downloading the FordPass is easy. Simply search the Google Play Store or Apple Store to find the app. Once inside the app, fill in your information and activate your vehicle by scanning the VIN on the inside of your door jamb. Once completed inside the app, start the vehicle and allow the activation to continue from your infotainment screen. FordPass offers many features. Once set up, your home screen will look like this. The name of your vehicle appears in the top left corner, and you can change this at any time. Your current fuel level percentage and miles to empty are displayed. There is an image of your Ford centered in the middle, and underneath are your lock, unlock, and start controls. To remote start your Ford, simply slide the power button across the screen, and within 1 minute, your vehicle will be running. If your vehicle did not come with the buttons to remote start on the key fob, you will likely still have the ability to remote start it from the FordPass app. Note, if your vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission, you will not be able to remote start your vehicle from the FordPass app. A few lines down, you can also schedule remote starts so your vehicle is warmed up or cooled down at the start or end of the workday. With FordPass, you can access your connected services. These are subscription-based services or trial services offered by Ford. Features like the Ford Security Package, Premium Connectivity, Blue Cruise, Connected Navigation, Alexa built-in. For electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles, the FordPass Energy tab helps you manage charging with insights into charge levels, range, charging session history, and easily find nearby charging stations through the Blue Oval Charge network. Can't find your car in a busy parking lot? Use the FordPass location feature to pinpoint its exact location, activate the horn, or flash the lights to guide you. At the bottom right of your home screen, you can access the Service tab to stay on top of your vehicle's health. Check tire pressure, engine oil life, and receive alerts when it's time for service. You can also schedule a service appointment with one of our dealerships directly from the app. In a bad spot stuck on the road? You can access roadside assistance and collision assistance from the Emergency Services section on the service screen. Are you a part of a Ford family? The FordPass Garage allows you to toggle between your Fords, view details, and even add or remove vehicles effortlessly. Simply tap the multiple vehicle icons in the top right-hand corner. As a user of FordPass, you will earn FordPass rewards. To access your rewards, click the person icon in the top right corner. Under Other Services, there will be a rewards page. There are 5 tiers of rewards for all of your transactions at a Ford dealership. Just purchased a new Ford? You will get 31,000 points that equate to cash to be spent at the dealership for accessories and service. Electric and pre-owned Blue certified Fords also earn 22,000 points after purchase. You'll also earn 10 points for each dollar spent on service, parts, or accessories and connected services. These points are good as cash to be spent on everything Ford related, from service to parts and accessories to connected services. Simply see our family of dealerships to redeem your points for your next purchase. Points can be used to purchase your first service appointment or even accessories like window tint, all-weather floor mats, and more.
The FordPass app puts the power of connection right in your hands and enhances your Ford ownership experience in every single way. So download the FordPass app today and control your vehicle from both behind the wheel and from outside the vehicle. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.